Hello friends, Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about treadmills. You know that treadmills are very important. This is not possible to get hardcore exercises at home. We can do some yoga, or we can do some small exercises at home, but running is not possible simply. Hard calorie burning exercise is not possible in the house. So this treadmill is the solution. If you are an exercise freak, if you love running, if you love sprinting, then it is great. You have to have the treadmill at your home.
I will look for you. I will find you.
And I will make you do your exercises.
I know no one loves exercise, but it is necessity. The running is main ingredient of the exercise. Why? Running gets warm you up. After running, I can do exercise more and more. In this video, I am telling you how to choose your treadmill. Because when you going to buy a treadmill online or you go to any shopkeeper confuse you. Shopkeepers, salesmen, I don't know why they do it, but they confuse us. So I am here to remove your confusions. Mechanical treadmills and electrical treadmills. Mechanical treadmills are those motor are not fitted with them. They are non-motorized treadmills. Or electric treadmills are motor fitted treadmills. So first we see the mechanical treadmills features. The first thing, the speed gear. The speed gear is not generally driven by an engine. You have to running on the belt with the strength of your legs. How much the power you put in your legs to slide that running belt that you can run. At first look, your opinion may be that this is good. My strength, my power is used and my legs means I can burn more energy. This is not happening with this feature, because this system will reduce your interest with the treadmill, and this is even worse. There is a manual stroke adjustment. All things are manual, so this is stroke adjustment are also the manual. Everything is manual, so not possible to choose the training programs. There is no training program. There is no application software within that, so you can choose your training program you can understand by this. If you join the gym, the coach give you the training program that if your weight is this, if your age is this program is suitable for you. You have to do this exercise in 3 rounds, this exercise in 2 rounds, this exercise 1 hour. So this is package of the program. This machine has not this. Okay. Next thing, this machine has displays about the calorie burn, how much time you run, distance, speed, pulses. Both the machine have these facilities. Displaying information. The next is these are lightweight machines and very cheap. Next, move on the electric treadmills. First thing is on which you run, the belt is motion by the motor. So you can set up the speed. Let's see, you have set the speed 20 km per hour. Then that running belt start to moving on the speed 20 km per hour. When you start the running on that running belt, then you have to run 20 km per hour. Now you can understand the first point of both the things. You can compare this. Now you can run more time than the manual one, and your interest will be increased. So next one is there are predefined dedicated training programs, as like I have told you, according to your weight, according to your age, height, and according to your running speed, you can choose your running programs, and according those programs you can complete your running package. Okay, next is you can find several additional equipment like fan. These features may vary money how much you spend. Okay, so built-in speakers, mp3 player, touch pulse meters, how much you spend, features will increase. Okay, next, electrical treadmills can much more stable, durable than mechanical treadmills. Next thing is these are costly and heavier than the mechanical. This is one filter. Okay, next, filter 2. This is very simple option to choose, that commercial treadmills and folding treadmills both are the mixed things. So commercial treadmill means if you are going to purchase the treadmills for the business purpose, and folding treadmills like a facility. If you want to have the treadmills for your gym or for your house, you can have choose the folding treadmill for both. You can choose. This is a simple choice. These treadmills provides high powered motors, because you are going to take these for gym purpose or 4 or 5 persons. If your family is too big, then you can choose those. So much facilities in commercial treadmills are built to use for up to 12 hours per day. They are very heavy duty, and non-commercial treadmills are built for use up to 5 hours use per day. Now folding treadmills, why you choose folding treadmills? If you are running out of space in your room, in your house, then you can choose this. I don't like folding treadmills as much. Okay? I think folding means you are compromising with stability, strength. These use up to 44% less floor space when they are folded. Running decks are very important. If you are going for folding treadmill, please don't get that machine which has their deck is folding. If you want to take a folding treadmill, take it, but take that type of machine which deck is not foldable. So this ensures the frame is robust and does not compromise the quality of running experience. This is very important. And folding variations may differ brand to brand. Okay, one important thing. If you are struggling with obesity, you are overweight, then running can put too much pressure on your knee joints. If you are heavy weight person, then please check the capacity of your machine. If you are 100 kg, at least you have to take the machine with the capacity of at least 120 kg or 130 kg. If you are a funny runner, means recreational runner, means for enjoying, you have a good physical condition. For sure, you have a good height, good personality, good physical condition. And in those conditions, you may run for a longer time. Okay, then you should pay attention to the engine power. Longer use can lead to the overheating of the engine motor. So you have to look the engine motor. Look for a motor with at least 1.5 continuous duty horsepower CHP, at least 1.5 or higher than this. If you plan on running on the treadmill frequently, you will better be choosing 2.5 to 3.0 CHP. Okay, this is very important. Technical aspect, I am telling you the technical aspect, very technical aspect. If you are a very running freak and you are athlete, then go for around 3.0 CHP. And if you are high weight person, then you have to be more careful to take the more powerful motor. If you are a good exercise freak, the long course can allow you to burn a lot of calorie, but it will dull after the time goes. You will reducing your interest. So it is really better than the treadmill offers something that can keep you high level of motivation. You have to take those machines which have the more software applications, more packages, exercise packages. If you are an athletic person, you will definitely need a very strong treadmill model. Powerful engine motor and cushioning. Cushioning should be very good on the running belt. And some more important points, filter number 4. Some models can have shorter running belt. This is very important. Should not go for them. Belt should be at least 48 inches long and 18 inches wide. And if you are 6 feet tall, if you have more height than average people, then you should need at least 52-inch or 54-inch belt for running. This is very good. Go for the wide running belts, not shorter. They can be a reason for accident. Ensure they include a display for speed. Distance, time, calorie burn, they are very important things. In front of your eyes when you are running, they thrills you. As well as a self with water bottle is very good facility. Side by your hands. While you are running, you can drink water. Machine applications must be along with more exercise programs. I have told you that take that machine which have more exercise programs. And if you are not budget concerned, take heart rate monitor. Don't prefer the machine with foldable track. I have told you. Have music on treadmill functionality. If you have this facility in your treadmill, this is great. Okay. If you purchasing a treadmill and assembling at your home, I recommend you finding a professional pair of hands so they can assemble you. Don't mug yourself. If you are purchasing treadmill, then you are running interesting person. This is very simple. So then get a treadmill that goes up to 10 mile per hour or higher. Don't go for less than 10 mile per hour. Okay, this is very important. This will thrill you. Okay, stability. The treadmill shouldn't shake when you run or walk, and the frame should be remain stable. You have to go for those treadmills which are very stable, solid. Okay, those are the features. Now next is the famous brands. You can choose from these brands. These are very famous brands. You can choose from them. Now this is very important and last thing I am going to tell you about maintenance of the machine. First thing first is tightening or tensioning the belt. You have to check the belt regularly. Make sure the belt is tight. And next thing is under the machine area or surrounding area of the treadmill should be clean. The motor attract dirt or dust when it is running status. it can be electrical fault or something accident or something. Make sure the machine surroundings and under the machine area should be clean. The next thing is treadmill lubricant. These lubricants sold separately, so don't choose by your own mind. Okay, you can buy it by searching the treadmill lubricant oil. You can go Google or any online platform, e-commerce platform, and search for treadmill lubricant oil and get that. And most of the treadmill lubricants have 100% silicone in it, so go for those. There is a fact about it, about the lubricant, that 80% of breakdown issues there will be the reason of lubricant, bad lubricant or not using lubricant. So regular lubrication will increase the life of your machine. So that's it for this video. So friends, if you found this video useful, then please leave a like, and as I have told you always that comments are very important, so please comment down the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you. Bye bye.